The Iron Bull FHG hydraulic dovetail keeps getting stronger, starting right at the front. Now built with an all-new engineered gooseneck, designed to handle the constant pull and torque that comes with hauling serious equipment day after day. At the back, the FHG features Iron Bull's patented hydraulic dovetail design with a 12,000-pound tail lift capacity and dual lift cylinders. It's built for dependable performance when it matters most. And when the dovetail raises back into position, the automatic lock mechanism engages on its own, securing the deck and letting you get straight to work. The patented design lets you focus on the job, not the setup, while delivering the stability you need to load and unload heavy equipment safely and efficiently. And every standard specification on the FHG is built heavy-duty. From the 12-inch I-beam frame to the scheduled 40 torque tube, from the underframe bridge to the adjustable HDSS suspension system. The overbuilt design means you're ready for the next challenge, helping you outlast and outwork the competition from sunup to sundown. The Iron Bull FHG. Iron Bull, where durability meets affordability.